Regards Auto has released its annual list of the 10 best engines for 2018. After spending 2 months testing 32 different powertrains, the company's editors selected the winners. Surprisingly, the winners were primarily from mainstream brands, and the publication notes not a single German automaker made the list. Ford came away with 2 wins, as editors loved the twin-turbo 2.7-liter V6 in the F-150 as well as the 5.0-liter V8 engine that resides in the Mustang GT. Other winners include the turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder in the Honda Civic Type R and the twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 that powers the Infiniti Q50. Jaguar and Kia also appeared on the top 10 list for the first time thanks to the turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder in the XF and the turbocharged 3.3-liter V6 in the Stinger. Alternative powertrains had a strong showing, as well as awards honored the Chevrolet Bolt, Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, Honda Clarity, and Toyota Camry Hybrid. These models are a very diverse group, as the cars have electric, plug-in hybrid, fuel cell, and hybrid powertrains. Performance models were largely absent from the list, even though contenders included the Audi RS3 and S4. The sole diesel engine, the turbocharged 1.6-liter 4-cylinder in the Chevrolet Equinox, also failed to make the cut.